Many HVAC and appliance service companies do not fail because they lack technicians. They struggle because the operational data is scattered. Jobs come from an OEM or company CRM. The admin exports them to Excel. Technicians are assigned on WhatsApp. Job photos come separately. Payment updates come separately. Parts usage is remembered later. Expenses wait for approval. And at month end, salary calculation becomes a long manual exercise. Imagine a service company with 30 technicians. Every week they receive 100 to 200 AC service jobs from a company's CRM. Some jobs are urgent. Some have same-day SLA. Some need parts. Some customers pay cash. Some pay by UPI. Some jobs are completed, but proof is missing. Some technicians have expenses, advances, rewards, leave, or overtime. In the old workflow, the owner has to connect all of this by memory. The job sheet is in Excel. The technician update is in a chat. The customer proof is in another message. The payment note is in a notebook. The parts record is in inventory. And the salary sheet is prepared after checking everything again. This is where the real time is lost. Not only in assigning jobs. The real loss is in finding out what actually happened in the field. Now look at the structured workflow. The company first imports jobs from the OEM or company CRM into KaryaFlow. The import screen maps every field properly. Job ID, customer name, phone number, city, product, complaint, priority, SLA, and status. The system can show how many jobs came in, how many were imported, which ones are duplicates, and which jobs need attention. Once jobs are inside KaryaFlow, dispatch becomes visible. The owner or admin can see total jobs, pending jobs, assigned jobs, jobs in progress, completed jobs, and high-priority jobs. Instead of asking everyone on WhatsApp, the dashboard shows the current state. The admin can assign technicians by city, zone, priority, and availability. A pending job can move to assigned. Assigned can move to in progress. In progress can move to completed. The owner sees the work moving instead of chasing every update manually. On the technician's side, the mobile app carries the job details. The technician sees the customer name, phone number, address, product, serial number, complaint, priority, and SLA. He can call the customer, open the map, and start the visit from the job screen. This is important because the field team stops depending on repeated calls from the office. The job is not just a message, it is a structured task with status, customer details, and next action. Now comes the most valuable part. Job proof. When the technician completes the service, the proof stays connected to the job. Product photo. Serial number. Service done notes. Parts used. Customer questionnaire. Customer signature. Completion sheet. This is what separates a real field service workflow from a simple scheduling app. The owner does not have to search chat messages to confirm whether the technician really visited, what service was done, or which part was used. The proof is attached to the job itself. Payments and expenses also stay connected. If a technician collects cash, records UPI payment, or marks a partial payment, the collection is visible against the job. If he submits travel expense, parking, tool purchase, or another field expense, the owner can approve or reject it. Advances, rewards, leaves, and overtime can also become part of the salary input. Inventory is another hidden problem in HVAC service. Parts move from the main go-down to technician stock. Some parts are used on jobs, some are reserved. Some need transfer from another location. In a structured workflow, the part is not just written in a notebook, it is linked to the job. When a capacitor, gas refill, PCB board, fan motor, or other item is issued or used, the movement is visible. The owner can see main go-down stock, technician stock, low stock alerts, and recent material movement. At month end, this becomes the payoff. Earlier, the owner or accountant spent 7 to 8 days checking Excel, WhatsApp, payment notes, expense slips, leaves, advances, rewards, and parts records. Now the salary screen already has the inputs: completed jobs, incentives, approved expenses, advances, leave days, overtime, net salary. The salary slip is not calculated from memory. It is calculated from the work that already happened in the system. This is why the workflow matters. KaryaFlow is not just for assigning service jobs. It connects the full back office of an Indian field service company. From OEM job import to technician assignment to mobile visit updates to job proof to payments to parts usage to expenses to technician salary slip. If your HVAC or appliance service business is still running on Excel and WhatsApp, book a KaryaFlow demo. We will show this workflow with your real